Welcome to our Magento 2 tutorials. Today we will learn how to create product attributes. What is a product attribute? Attributes are the building blocks of your product catalog. They describe specific characteristics of a product. You can create as many attributes and attribute sets as necessary to describe the products in your catalog. First, describe the basic properties. On the admin sidebar, tap Stores. Then under Attributes, choose Product. Tap Add New Attribute. Enter a default label to identify the attribute. Set catalog input type for store owner to the type of input control to be used for data entry. You can describe the advanced properties if needed. Next, enter the field label. If your store is available in different languages, you can enter a translated title for each view. Finally, describe the storefront properties. Consider how attributes are to be used when assigning properties and values. When complete, tap Save Attribute. Coming up next, we will learn about attribute sets. Hexa. Connecting applications, automating processes,